In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix the Windows 11 blurry font issue in your computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay. So in order to fix that problem, just have to navigate to the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. The moment you have opened the settings, you need to navigate to the left side, find for an option called System, click on here. Once you click on it, under the System section, you need to scroll down and find for About, which contains the device specifications and Windows specifications. So click on that one. Once you click on it, you need to navigate to device specifications. There you can see related links. You need to proceed to the third, which is Advanced System Settings. Click on that. Once you click on it, you'd be able to open the system properties. So as you can see, some of my Windows 11 text has been blurry as well. So just have to navigate to advanced, go with performance and click on settings. Once you click on it, you'd be able to see the performance options window. Please find for smooth edges of screen fonts. So the main reason why you face an error, which is a blurry font issue, is that you have disabled it. So just have to check it to enable it, and please click on apply. And then once done, please proceed to let Windows choose what's best for my computer and click on apply and then click on OK. Click on OK and your problem will be fixed. Okay? Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.